Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Director General of Police kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang, hakasi palay kaloong bakatnat pulit kampendit jingmut tang nakabenta ka jingtri kam babet jong ki pulit, hendai kapit ngoru habaro kiliang ke bedai bat ka cyber crime, ka jingpen tri kam yaki an ki hukum bat ki weipat ki jing habedai bat ka jing shngat. Habakran syakilat patai kubor ka DGP kalakran halor ka jingdawa kinong syong shnong ka Lapangap, kalapentip bo sembut menteri rangba ulay kendo ikinong syong shnong. Bat ula kubur bakamat jingdawa jongki kalong kabasisha. Kakong ida sisha kale thuru bekinong Lapangap ki keno ru baki beriau ka Asam ki khanglat yaki ban lejrap lejriang hakaba yaki jingthong balathong mensngi hakapor menmiet la syarat no. Kale thuru bahalor ka jingpen pau kinong syong shnong bakadon ka jingduna hakaliang ka jingkershan neki bor bahalor nakaliang katnat pulit kala Phah chu ki pulit haktika than. Kala benrap baan Bishar banyak syuai ka Jinglong Jingman namar baladat banbu artli ki Kynhun Pulit hakati ka jaka. Bad kanu ke jam banle hadian kansyong hagarukom baga Jinglong Jingman kanang kiyo.
Lapangap, as you are aware, and what Honorable CM has also mentioned, the people of Lapangap had come yesterday. There was a significant turnout. In fact, from what my officers on the ground were saying, the majority of Lapangap village turned out en masse yesterday. So it is a very genuine problem for them. They have been saying that while the Assam side is not stopping the cultivation, but what is happening is they go for the cultivation, and the evenings there, whatever they planted is uprooted during the night. So that was a problem which they were really facing. And then they are saying that we haven't had much of support from us. We've been trying our best. So yesterday the decision that was taken both by the Deputy Chief Minister, which was seconded by us, that we would send in, because of the villagers of Lapangap in the initial period when the problem first flared up, we had sent in our SF, what we call the SF10, right? So they wanted another a presence of SS10 there. They had gone today, and should be reaching there by now, because they had left early this morning. A platoon at the moment, and then we see, depending on the situation, we will see whether we need to put in more people or not. Because additionally, day before yesterday, we had already sent 2 platoons of Meghalaya battalion people to Lapangap. It would depend on the situation. When we are deploying for law and order, it all depends on what happens. It's a developing situation, so we would take assessments every now and then.
What about a police outpost as a demand?
There is also, like with Lapangap, we recently just the other day, last Saturday, we inaugurated the Barato, which is just about I think about 16 or 19 kilometers away. As you are aware, Assam maintains that. What they call they insist that we maintain status quo. So while they have put up their thing, it's more or less like a camp. So depending on the situation, we will also see whether we from our side would put up a camp.
Thank you so much.
Oh well. 19 HMVs, 19 36-seater buses, 19 24-seater buses, 8 mini trucks, 8 Yoda vans, and 20 Jimneys.